Breakfast is often considered the most important meal of the day as it jumpstarts your metabolism and provides energy for the day ahead. A balanced breakfast should include a mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied, including fruits, whole grains. Lean proteins and healthy fats like nuts or avocado can provide essential nutrients and help maintain steady energy levels throughout the morning. Fried eggs are a popular breakfast option enjoyed worldwide. Here are some key points about. Number 1, quick and easy. Number 2, protein-rich. Number 3, eggs are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, and riboflavin. Number 4, pairing options. Fried eggs can be paired with other breakfast foods such as toast, whole grain bread, English muffins, or breakfast potatoes to create a well-rounded meal. To getting more information about cooking and recipes, please subscribe us. See you soon.